Welcome to TEMS LNet. In this video, we are going to discuss one essay of section B of LNet. So as you are aware, they will give you 3 essays and we need to write down one essay out of 3 choices. So total time 40 minutes is given for one essay, and you can write down maximum 750 words in one particular essay. But ideally it is advisable that you should not write down more than 650 words. So 600 to 650 is an ideal which you should limit yourself and write one essay on that, right? So one very important thing is what exactly they are looking. So what exactly they are looking, since you are going to become a future lawyers, right? So they are first and very important foremost thing is what they are going to check your argumentative skills, whether you can demonstrate your argumentative skills in that particular essay or not, right? So they will check your argumentative skill, and one very important thing is what you should write down the very good conclusion as well. So when you are arguing some topic, so in the end you should end with the good conclusion as well. So definitely you need to demonstrate your argumentative skill with the good conclusion. So that is the one thing they are looking. So one very important thing is how to write down one essay. So very important thing is you need to manage your time. In this 40 minutes, if you are judicially managing your time, then I'm sure you can produce a very good essay and definitely you can fetch very good marks. So ideally I will advise you that you should divide this 40 minutes in 4 different segments. So first segment which I'll say that there are 3 essays are given. So you should not jump and immediately pick up the topic. You should read all 3 topics carefully and analyze that which essay you have more information, which you can add your own information, and you can really start with very good way and you can conclude in very good way, and you can discuss in both positive aspect as well as a negative aspect. So one very important thing is you should not jump and immediately pick up the topic. You should invest very good 4 minutes time to pick up one topic. After finalizing the topic, you should not immediately write the essay. So what you have to do, you have to plan and structure. Plan is how you are going to start, what will be the body, and how you are going to conclude. So you jot down the points, that which all points you are going to write. Suppose that in the starting line, the first beginning line, introductory line, what will be your introductory line, how you are going to conclude the essay, and in the body, what are all points you are going to write down. So in the gist, we can say you need to jot down the points, right? So you should invest 8 minutes time to jot down all these points. Then third part is in the time management, very important, 20 minutes, where you should write down. You should immediately start writing. You should invest this 20 minutes time to write the entire essay. But now you should always keep, once you have finished the writing, so make sure that around once the clock will be around 32 minutes, that time you stop writing and you can keep 8 minutes time to reserve yourself to review the entire essay. So if there are any grammatical mistake, you can correct that, or maybe in the lines you need to create some connectors, so you can write down those connectors as well. After reviewing the entire essay, then only you should submit the essay. So that is the way you should write down. So here in this video, I am going to demonstrate you how to write one essay. So let's say we'll discuss one topic, that do you think that capital punishment should be given or not? So if we have picked up this topic, so how to write down a good essay which can fetch very good marks in LNet for this particular topic. So first thing, as I discussed with you, so what should be your introductory line? So when you write your introductory line, so make sure that you are going to create an attraction, like when examiner is checking your this essay, so immediately he or she may get attracted for this. And one more thing, in the introduction itself, you need to describe the entire topic, whether you have the understanding of that particular topic or not. Suppose that topic is given capital punishment. So how it is different from the very similar word which is called death punishment. So how the capital punishment is different, what is the death punishment itself? In the capital punishment, execution order is itself there. So you need to describe so you make sure that you are explaining that you understood the topic and you are giving the entire meaning of the topic. Then in body, so in the body, here you can write down that which all countries they are in the favor and which all countries they are against in the capital punishment. And so I'll jot down 5 points for the, you can pause this video and you can read the 5 points which are in the favor of the capital punishment and which all are against in the capital punishment. So favor means that we are human, we don't have right to take someone's life. Everyone has a right to live, and second chance should be given. All these things can be in the favor, but second in the opposite, you can always say that someone has done the very heinous crime, someone has done the bomb blast, or someone has done the murder or rape. So in these kind of the heinous crime, when we leave the accused like free-handed, he may repeat the offense again. So these things are there which you should write down. And then finally you should reach on the conclusion that you should write very impressive conclusion where you write both pros and cons, and maybe I'll especially in this essay you can write down a very balanced line that the capital punishment should be given, but only in the rarest to the rarest case. So if any rarest to rarest heinous crime is there where someone is brutally murdered or bomb blast or is very heinous crime, then in the rarest to the rarest case capital punishment should be given. Now you can pause this video and see the sample essay on this topic. So in this video we have seen that how we should write down one essay, and we have discussed this capital punishment essay, and I'm sure you should keep on practicing. You can subscribe our channel and following our next videos, and you can keep practicing on various different topics where you can demonstrate your argumentative skills. Thank you very much for watching this video.